Before the video starts, the first 45 seconds were filmed with an iPhone. This is because I was filming a TikTok and I figured I would use the same camera. I didn't know it would come out so blurry for the YouTube video. I do know now for the future, but please bear with me. It's only 45 seconds. Thanks. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to take t-shirt product photos for your clothing brand. The three materials that you're going to need are a white sheet of paper. You can get that from Amazon. I got mine from Amazon and it wasn't too expensive. The second thing you're going to need is lights. I'm using lamps. You can use professional lights if you have them, but I'm just going to be using lamps because I don't have any professional lights. The third thing you're going to need is a camera. Today, I'm just using my iPhone camera. As you can see, we've used a few lamps, a ring light as our lighting, and the lights from my apartment. Trust the process. Okay, watch the end result. It'll look good, trust me. Usually I email the photos to myself. So in this instance, that's exactly what I did. I sent them to my email. Now I'm going to import them into Adobe Lightroom. All right, there we go. The next thing you want to do is crop them. Okay. So we just crop them down, get that excess white space that we don't need. And you can also turn it a bit because, yeah, make sure it's lined up properly. Okay. Then after that, we're just gonna mess with the colors here. Our goal now is just to make it look as realistic as possible. We want the shirts to look basically how they look in person. So let's up the blacks a bit on this. There we go. Kind of get that light in the middle away. I copy the edit settings and I'm gonna paste the edit settings here since it's the same colored shirt. It's just the back of it. Now we're gonna do the white shirt. Let's copy the edit settings. Paste it here. See how it looks. Okay, we're good. Just gonna export these now. Now that we've finished with Lightroom, I want to edit these photos in Photoshop. So I'm opening Photoshop now. The reason why I'm opening Photoshop is because I want to get rid of this white background here. Even what I want to do. Let me just open a new one. Okay. So now that we have our shirt here, I'm just gonna zoom in a bit. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a Photoshop expert, but you don't really have to be one to do this. Now I'm grabbing my wand tool. Let's see where the wand tool is. It's right here. Well, it's grabbing all the wrong stuff, to be honest. So I guess the wand tool is bad for a white shirt like this, but what we're gonna do is yeah, we're just gonna erase, bro. Yeah, I'm just grabbing my eraser, zooming in. This is not the eraser. GG. Here's the eraser. Alright. So we're making some progress. This shouldn't take too long. Just taking our time, man. You don't really want to rush. You can always undo, but let's make the size a bit smaller now. And you can see as we put this white shirt against the white background, and even the white background that we took the picture on, it's not exactly white. So that's why we want to put it through Photoshop. Photoshop can get us that really clean look that we want. Don't be lazy. I mean, you can be, but I feel like if you really pay attention to details, it shows. So try not to make shortcuts, or try not to take shortcuts, I should say. So just so you guys know, this is my clothing brand, and I even sell the tags on myself. I feel like I've been getting better at it. It looks kind of clean there, in my opinion. I'm not trying to gas myself up or anything. Sometimes I think it is okay to gas yourself up, but I feel like you knew what I meant. Okay, looks like we're done. We sure are. Nice. That's one. We still have 3 other photos to go, but we're gonna save this. All right. We're gonna do what we did for the front. Now we're gonna swing by with the eraser. Gonna make it bigger first. Get as close as you can to the line without actually messing up the shirt. And I actually stop and then start again so that if I have to undo, I don't undo like a whole line, like a huge line that I did. Nice. Looks good. Let's save it. Now we just have to do the black shirts. Almost done. I feel like the wand should work better with these. Yep, it does. Yeah, so the wand actually works with this. It should be way easier than the white shirt, thankfully. Let's delete all that. Make sure you get all these little areas around here. Yeah, this one's way easier than that white shirt, bro. Since we can use the wand tool. Cool. Easy peasy. Last one. Grab our wand tool again. Alrighty, we're done. Let's export this. So yeah, as you can see, Got some fresh photos here. They look very professional. And you can send them to whoever you want if you need to, or you can upload them on your website. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, just hit that like button and subscribe as well. Thanks. Peace.